guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sandal review and an unboxing of the BIRKENSTOCK Arizona in mocca. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. And drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. Before we get into this, I just want to take this time to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at probably the most iconic sandals to ever grace the face of the earth. We've got a look at the BIRKENSTOCK Arizona, and I know what you're thinking. You guys primarily do sneaker reviews. Why are you doing sandals? And I just said it why, because these are the most iconic sandals the face of the earth. It's summer at the time of this recording here in what was muggy London town. But update you guys, I just really want to tell you how great Birkenstocks are. That is because I used to own a pair of these, this particular colorway and model, in fact, way back a couple years ago. And when I was in the Philippines and during the summers as well, I'd always wear Arizonas in this colorway. They were great, they were so comfy. Unfortunately, I lost them and I thought I'd re-up, so I got this, and I thought what better way to show you guys and talk to you, maybe introduce you to some Birkenstocks. So I thought we'll do it. So today we've got a look at the Arizona. We've got this in the US size 8. It's the UK 7.5 and it's the European 41. Now, for those that don't know, Birkenstocks come in two widths. They come in regular and they come in narrow. So obviously that narrow is for your narrow feet and the regular is for regular. And what's great about Birkenstocks are they conform to the shape of your foot, which I will get into it right now. Here we go. As I mentioned, it's probably the most iconic strapped sandals you'll ever see. There we go. So we start with the outsole. So this outsole is made of EVA. The patterning, I'm pretty sure you can only find at Birkenstocks, and you got a little Birk here. Looking at the footbed, so this whole footbed is a cork material and it contours. The longer you wear it, the more it shapes to the underside of your feet, and that's great because that's what made it so comfortable. And if you didn't know, Birkenstock initially, they are an orthopedic brand made in Germany, and they've stood the test of time. I believe it's been around since the 1800s. I could be wrong. I think it's 1774. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you can see it here, Birkenstock, made in Germany, and you got the sizing here. That shape of the foot is not filled in, so that says regular sizing width, whereas if it's narrow, it'll be filled in. That part I do know. And yeah, this is the Cork Footbed. And as I mentioned, the more you wear it, it shapes to the underside of your foot. And trust me guys, it's so comfy. Obviously, this will take me some time. So when I do the on feet, it's gonna feel a bit different. It's gonna feel a bit bumpy, but you can see it with the arch support here. It's raised, and where your toes are there, you've got the grooves for your heel and your toes, so it's there for your comfort. The upper, so this straps, this is made of a synthetic leather, and this is in a mocha colorway. The other colorway is the black Berko floor. This is the mocha Berko floor, and Berko floor is the synthetic leather. So you've got it here, two straps here with the clasps. We can see it in this bronze, rose gold color, and it says Birkenstock. You can adjust the size, adjust the tightness of the sandal itself, and that was such a quick and easy review. Guys, I know we primarily do sneaker reviews here, but you're gonna catch me wearing these sandals, believe it or not. I'm gonna be wearing these socks and sandals. That's the way to go forward. Tyler the Creator does it. You guys should. He's cool. I want to be like him. Pretty cool, I'd say. But yeah, hit it up. Don't be afraid of socks and sandals. Well, you're meant to wear this barefoot really, but I like to wear socks and sandals. Don't want to show off my feet to you guys. But yeah, that rounds it off. And I can't wait to break these in and tell you how I feel about them. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size European fit. In this case, me being a 7.5, that's a 41. And well, I've owned a pair of Birkenstocks in the past before, so but do check, because you might need the narrow fit maybe. Obviously, you can see my feet isn't that narrow. I'm regular. You can see where my toes are as well. They're where they need to be. You can always adjust the straps as well if they're a bit too tight, or you want them a bit loose, or do you want them tighter. Either way, it's up to you. But as I mentioned, you have to give some time and investment into wearing into your Birkenstocks. That's so the Cork Footbed can basically take the size of your feet. It takes the shape of your underfoot. As you can see, I am a big fan of socks and sandals, so no hate here. Go ahead, you can wear them barefoot as well. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.